Hi, I'm Balu. Hey Balu, I'm Bunny. Can you tell me how to make money? Sure, invest in good quality stocks at the right time. You need a computer and internet to do this. You also need some knowledge, else get help from Rupeefy.com. Use scientific methods of stock selections only. I will show you how I do it. So this is my workflow that you see. I'm checking the fundamentals. Now I'm checking the technicals of the stock. You can see how I use various parameters to check the technicals. How's that? This way, so far I have done pretty well. Remember, to be a winner, you need to keep a track of your stocks. That's how